grade 9 standing as candidate for school captain. So before I start my speech, I would like to express my wholehearted gratitude to all the teachers who have supported me till now throughout my journey. And this is the biggest stage for me to learn very much new things. So, are you all enjoying this school? So I'll assure you that everyone will have an incredible year ahead. So my dear friends, can anybody tell me what's a school motto? Yes, I believe you achieve. So I completely believe and agree with these words. I believe that each one of you are unique and have some or the other talent in you. So you have to bring it out and showcase to the world. So for that, whole school is with you. Everyone here are born as diamond but needs to be polished at some or the other point. So all teachers are here to help us. So lastly, any issues or any trouble you are facing, regards anything, you can always come to me, you can approach me. I'll help you to solve those problems. Thank you all. I request you all to support me by voting me. Thank you all. Let us have a wonderful year ahead.
I'm Sri Krishna from grade 9A. I'm extremely grateful for being nominated for the school leader post for the election. See, if I become the leader, I will make sure that everyone's problem will be solved with strong solution. Everybody will get equal opportunities in all the events. Everyone's voice will be heard and considered. The school events will take place in great discipline. To wrap it up, I just want to call out that it's your right to choose the right person. So let's make Chitrakuta Kaushalya great again.
Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Dhruv S. Anchan of grade 9th and it is with great excitement that I stand before you all today as I proudly announce my candidacy for the position of school sports captain. With a passion for sports coursing through my veins and a drive to excel in every endeavor I undertake. I'm honored to offer my dedication, experience and vision to serve our school community. As the role of the school sports captain, I prioritize the well-being and success of each student athlete. I'll be a listening ear, a guiding hand and a relentless advocate for all our sports programs. Together, let us foster an environment of inclusivity, greatness, excellence and sportsmanship. Let us all work together to make our beloved school Kaushalya a place where sports thrive, where everybody feels included and where everybody gets the opportunity to discover their athletic potential. Sports does not build character, it reveals it. Thank you for considering me for this esteemed position. Let us all work together and make our school proud. Are you all with me? Yeah! Are you all with me? Yeah! Are you all with me? Thank you.
I'm Harshini and I'm from grade 8A. I'm very proud to stand here as a part of Kaushalya Student Council. One team, one dream. Let's chase it together. This is not just a slogan. It's every leader's mission. I will be your greatest advantage as I lead with energy, with heart, and with a never give up attitude. I promise to turn practice into passion and efforts into achievements. From inter-house events to school championships, let's play hard, support each other, and win. Trust me with your vote and I won't let you down. I'll be your voice, your motivator and your biggest supporter on and off the field. Let's train like champions and lead like legends. Thank you.
I'm Dhriti from grade 9A and I'm truly honored to be nominated as your Shanti House captain. Firstly, I'd like to thank all my school teachers and management for giving me this wonderful chance to represent our house. If elected, I promise to give my full dedication, teamwork and commitment. My goal is to bring all of us together as a team where no one is left behind, be it on the sports field, on stage or in the classroom. And if you ever need anything, you can always come to me. I'm here to listen and support you all. I hope to guide, support and stand by your side always. With your trust, we'll reach new heights together. Thank you.
I'm Anjali from grade 8. I'm nominated for the post of Shanti House Captain. Firstly, I would like to show my gratitude to my teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I promise to give my best and make good use of it. If I become the captain, I'll make sure that my team has the unity and dedication over achieving our goals. I'll also help everyone and make sure that their problems are heard and taken care of. You should vote me as your house captain because I'm responsible and always ready to help you. So, I would request everyone to help me serve you as your house captain. Thank you.
I'm Kushi S. Raj from 9th A. Today I feel truly honored and humbled to stand here in front of all of you, being one of the nominees of Niti House Leadership. I stand here not just as a person, but as one who truly believes in the potential of yours and mine. I'll make sure that I'll respect each one of your opinions and stand for you. I'll stand with you always. You can see me not just as a leader but as a friend and talk to me so that I'll give you more moral support and values. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day. I hope all of you will vote for me and support me. Thanks a lot.
I'm Niran Rajan from grade 8A. Today I'm here before you all with great excitement and responsibility as I'm gunning for the position of Niti House Captain. I believe a leader is someone who encourages, inspires and listens to everyone. I may not be the loudest, but I surely am the most respectful, honest and hard-working candidate. If you give me a chance to be your house captain, I will surely lead with team spirit, respect and kindness. I'll support each one of you, whether it's in sports, academics, cultural activities, competitions. And let's make our team shine in all perspectives and build a team with respect and kindness. Please give me your vote and your trust and let's make this year the best one yet for all of us. Thank you.
So I am Divik Dinesh Krishna from class 9A and I am contesting for the position of Shakti House Captain. So if you vote for me, I will make Shakti House the best house in Kaushalya. I will not only add more inter-house competitions but also in sports. I will also add inter-house competitions in also sports, dance, drama, etc. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014 launched the scheme of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The same way I would like to launch the scheme Swachh Kaushalya Abhiyan. In this initiative, we, the leaders of Kaushalya, sweep away the lack of discipline found in our school. We make our school flawless and absolutely flawless in every single aspect. I would also like to introduce the Students' Voice Box. It is a feedback box in which students put in the suggestions on what, where and how the Student Council should improve on and work towards. I will continuously evolve myself to be better every day by being a better listener, by being more proactive, listening to your suggestions and working harder, working with you. So my phrase is your voice and my action. So, who are you going to vote for? Yeah! Thank you. Together, let's make history.
I am Spurti studying in grade 8A and I am nominated for the Shakti House leadership position. It is an honor, a privilege and a responsibility that I don't take lightly. It reflects both trust and belief in my capabilities. I believe true leadership isn't about authority, it's about empowerment. It's about creating a space where we can openly share our ideas and collaboratively solve problems. If I am chosen to lead, my focus will be to build bridges, not walls. I will prioritize clear communication, active listening, and empower each one of you. I am very eager to contribute all my energy and I look forward to the opportunity to serve you all and lead us towards a brighter future. Thank you.
I am Gandhi of grade 9. I am so grateful to stand behind you as the captain of Kirti House, the house of fame and glory. I believe leadership isn't about just giving orders. It's about being someone who the team can trust and rely on. I promise to lead with discipline and listen with care. Be the field, the stage, the school grounds. I promise Kirti House will rise where teamwork abounds. No fear, no fuss, just green power in all of us. I'm sure all the Kirti members want their team to be the best this year. So if you want that to happen, please vote for me. Can all the Kirti members raise their hands, please? Wow. So are you with me, Kirti members? Yes! Louder please, are you with me, Kirti members? Yes! Thank you.
My name is Apramya V and I'm standing by as a candidate for Kirti House captaincy with full of enthusiasm. I want to make sure that all of the students are being heard by everyone. I strongly believe that leadership is not only about guiding others, it's also about lifting up others when they're down. Students sometimes can't express their thoughts or expressions to teachers, whether be it academical pressure, mental stress, or even bullying. I want to build trust within those students and make them sure that they walk in the right path. I also assure that I'll be committed and dedicated throughout the year. Your vote has the power. Your vote decides a better captain for Kirti House. So if you choose me, I make a promise that I'll always be truthful and I also be respectful to everyone. So I ask you for your support, I ask you for your trust, and I ask you for your vote. So who are you voting for? Thank you. Thank you for your votes.